Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on this very important discussion. So, we are going to look at breastfeeding. We're going to look at benefit of breastfeeding to you as a mom, and we are going to look at three main benefits here. We need to understand that the feelings of breastfeeding is awesome. Getting pregnant right throughout pregnancy is beautiful, but once you start breastfeeding your baby, that feeling is different, and it encourages every lady to take breastfeeding very serious because breastfeeding has benefits for you as well as your child. So we are going to go through three main benefits of breastfeeding for you as a mother. And the very first of it is the bonding. The bonding you have between you and your child. It makes it special. If you were to give artificial milk, you will not have that bonding. So that bonding makes it the first and the most important that you get. As a mother, bonding with your child, you have that special feelings that you bond with your child when you breastfeed. The next, which we are going to look at, is that it prevents some diseases, and these diseases are one of the most deadly that we will find around. It prevents you, it helps to reduce your risk of getting breast cancer. So if you breastfeed, you see that this is like double gain here because you will breastfeed your child and your child has the benefit, and then you also reduce your risk of you getting breast cancer. How beautiful is that? That you're breastfeeding your child gets the breast milk, and your child gets the benefit of taking the breast milk, and you reduces your risk of getting breast cancer. That is wonderful. So it reduces your risk of getting breast cancer, and you need to understand that breast cancer is at the top in terms of cancer cases that we have out there for ladies. So breast cancer is really, really at the top. And I plead with every lady out there, please. If you've not gone for your mammogram, if you're above 40, and if you don't do regular self-breast examination, please do that so that you can reduce your risk of breast cancer. Because if you constantly do that, you will know if there is something going wrong with your breast or not. Constantly doing breast cancer examinations, like immediately after you menstruate, you might take a day or two after that menstruation, you do your self-breast examination. If you notice that there is something wrong, something abnormal that was not there in your breast, then you should consult with your doctor. So breast cancer is one of those things that if you breastfeed your child, you're going to reduce the risk of getting breast cancer. So this is a double gain for you. The next is ovarian cancer. Ovarian cancer here, for people who may be hearing ovarian for the very first time, ovarian has to do with your ovaries. And the ovaries are the organs that contains your egg. So you have your right and your left ovary. You have your right and your left ovaries. These are the organs that produces the egg for sperm to even fertilize. So without the ovary, you want to be able to produce the egg which you will fertilize, which sperm cell will fertilize before pregnancy occurs. Therefore means without your ovary, you won't be able to conceive. So you see how important the ovary is to you. Ovarian cancer means cancer of the ovary. therefore means your ovaries are being infected here with cancer. Breastfeeding alone helps reduce the risk of you getting this ovarian cancer. How beautiful is that? You breastfeed, you have the benefits that give this natural and most beautiful food to your baby, but it also reduces your risk of you getting ovarian cancer. I'll advise you out there to prefer breastfeeding over artificial breast milk. So, like I said, there are three main important advantages which are put here. The very first benefit, which is that bonding you have between you and your child. That bonding, that feelings is different. So that bonding you have between you and your child is a benefit that you can't deny it. It's so special. The next is that it reduces your risk. It reduces your risk of you getting breast cancer. And I've said breast cancer is right up there in terms of the number of cases that people have related to cancer. So if we have, let's say, 100 cases of cancer incidents within a particular area, you will see that breast cancer will be right up there, more than 50%, more than even 60%. And I've said that you make sure you do your self-breast examinations, and don't forget to always get advice from your doctor on what to do, should in case you notice something that is not regular with your breast. The next benefit of you suckling your baby is ovarian cancer. And I said ovarian cancer is cancer of the ovary, and the ovary has to do with your egg. It is that organ that contains your egg. So within your egg, you have, within the reproductive system, you have the ovaries. One of the ovary contains eggs that it releases during ovulation, and another ovary also releases egg during ovulation. Without your ovary, you will find it absolutely difficult, if not impossible, for you to conceive. I hope this message can be taken and worked on. Please choose breastfeeding over artificial milk. I wish you the very best. And if you are a breastfeeding mom, congratulations to you. Do have a beautiful time. Thank you. I've been Sima Dauda from Check Your Health and Maintain Your World. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. May God bless you.